Hello there, I'm back. I've just painted these cages out there, sanded them out, put some new paper in the trays, new fresh perches. That's all my cages now painted out for the following year. Now I'm just ready to put these red dimorphics in this side, yellow dimorphics in the opposite side, just to keep the colourful red. To one side of the shed, away from the yellows, so there's no red going into to the other cages to dye the other birds. But there's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cages. Stay tuned and I'll show you my birds. Thank you.